Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm coming with my first follow-up video on this option called Assetara. We got started here last week and today I want to show you how my account is performing. I'm also going to perform a withdrawal on camera. If this is the first time you heard about Assetara, let me give you a quick recap. They got started a couple of weeks ago, so they are still in the early stages. Not fully transparent, so I'm approaching this one as an experiment. I like the site. I like all the elements that they are using in the members area. They have two different options to participate. The first one is the classic USD plan. Well, not only USD, but it's the type of plan that you can participate with the most popular cryptos. That's the one generating daily returns that you can withdraw at any time. And the second model is the token. They have a native token inside the system. It has the elements of any other token out there. The valuation depends of the community participation, but also you can use this token inside the system to collect rewards. You can stake this token for a period of time, and after you finish the term of your staking, you can collect or more tokens, or you can collect the gains in any of the most popular cryptos out there. So what I did was pretty simple. I split my test into two different parts. One portion, I put it into a USD plan, and the other portion, I put it into an staking plan using the token. The idea here is to compare both behaviors, daily liquidity versus locked position, and more importantly, I see how the system actually handles withdrawals. We're gonna go there in a second. Before all of that, I need to tell you something important. And this is the type of platform where you need to deposit your funds. We don't have control over the execution. We cannot verify the data behind all the transactions. So we are basically trusting the site to do all of this on our behalf. Right now, everything looks fine. It's working perfectly, but also that doesn't guarantee anything long term. And that's another reason why I'm approaching this with only risk capital. What I found interesting is the roadmap that talks about the token, all the plans that they have behind. And by the way, if you come right here to the main site, you can learn more about the whole plan behind the scene. You can understand how the Asra token is going to work, the layers of security. And if you come right here to the bottom of the page, you will find links to the different social media profiles. And you also have access to an open Telegram group, so you can participate there with other members. You can learn more about all of this directly from the people behind the site. And here you can also find a presentation, white paper, the investors memorandum, the tokenomics. And let me take you inside the members area so I can show you around. This is how it looks like. We see the stats of our account, the stakes that we have. We have information about the community. First, I want to start with the withdrawal. If we come right here on top, we have this button that says receive. This is how we perform deposits inside the system. These are the type of cryptos that we can use. And here we can select the type of network. But to withdraw, we come right here where it says send. I have a balance there of 34. So what I'm going to do is click right here, select where I have my balance. I'm going to collect this in BIP20. With BIP20, the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. With TRC20, the minimum withdrawal is 3 USDT. And right here, I'm going to copy my wallet. I paste it here. I click in max. Let me get my security pin. By the way, the withdrawal fee is only 1 USDT using BIP20. Let me see. Last time the withdrawal was super fast. We should receive it in this balance in a second. While we are waiting, let me show you. If we come right here where it says deposits, this is where you're going to find all the plans. If you click here where it says starter, you find the different plans, starting from the minimum deposit of 10 USDT up until 250,000. I took this one that is giving a 1% daily returns in average. And here you can see, or we can select how long we want to stay inside this plan. The shortest plan is 28 days, and you can go as far as 140 days. Here you have a calculation where you can see the estimated returns according to your deposit. And here is something cool. If you are not planning to collect rewards every day and prefer to do it weekly, they are going to give you a 3% extra. Or if you prefer to do it after you finish your plan, they are going to give you another 5% in extra returns. But if you select this alternative, you won't have the chance to use the compounding option, which is right here down below. And you can select how much you want to compound. So you have the freedom to build your plan the way you want it. And now here in token, this is where you can see Asra, all the links, the official links, the white paper, the tokenomics PDF. You will find it right here. The current price of the token. I explained in my previous video how to get started because I activated on camera, but it's quite simple. Well, first, after we deposit, we need to come here and buy those tokens. And then if you want to stake those tokens, after you convert your USDT or any of the cryptocurrencies you are using into Asra, then you come right here where it says staking, and you select what you want to do with those tokens. Last week they had more options. Looks like right now they only have the 65 days stake or the 40 days. So I activated this one with 12,000 tokens running for 15 days. I will finish this first cycle in 6 days, and with this stake, I'm basically going to receive 100 USDT. We will see how that goes next week. They also have right here another option, which is the betting. It's kind of a poly market option inside the site. You can participate with the Asra token, all right? And also if you come right here to task, you can collect tokens daily. Well, they have daily tasks, they have weekly task, and monthly task. Just come right here, clicking those buttons, and those tokens are going to be added right here to your balance. That later on you can turn it into more rewards, and eventually you can turn it into any crypto. I haven't received the withdrawal yet, but just let me stop the video right here and I'll be back. And we are back, and it took only a couple of minutes to arrive. We got it right here, 34.96. So that's another successful withdrawal from Assetara. And well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. I'm going to keep monitoring the consistency of the daily returns. Next week, I need to collect my the rewards from the first stake. And just to be clear again, this is not a recommendation. This is my testing. I'm showing everything as it happens. This is not the type of platforms that I usually participate, but I have a little bit of everything here for everybody. If you want to check projects with a different type of approach, I would invite you to check all that we have in the channel, or you can come to my Telegram group. That's the easiest way to stay in touch, and we can discuss there about this option and the other options that I'm reviewing in the channel. All right, guys, have an amazing day. Happy compoundings, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader. Bye.